Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can blur background on your photo using Photoleap apps. So you can download the Photoleap apps on Google Play Store or App Store and just open it, and you can select instant edit. So just scroll up and tap on blur background. Select blur background for make it blur the background. Just click start. Select your photo with background and it's all a blur. So here we go. You can also erase for the part you doesn't want to blur, like so. Okay, just go back. Here we go. So you can also try to motion blur. Just tap on motion blur or zoom blur. So just tap on save icon in the top right. Okay, that's how to blur background on your photo using Photoleap apps. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.